Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to explain to you how to fix Prizepicks Withdrawal is not working. Now, if you're having trouble withdrawing funds from Prizepicks, it could actually be due to a number of different reasons. One of them would be the playthrough requirement, okay? Where you must play through all the deposited funds and promo funds once before you can withdraw. For example, guys, if you withdraw, okay, look, for example, if you deposit $10 and you receive $10 promo match, then you must play $20 worth of lineups before actually withdrawing. Okay, so for example, you deposit $25, you must play at least $25 worth of lineups before you can actually withdraw. All right, so that is one of the requirements. And also, if you have put in inaccurate bank information, okay, inaccurate bank account information. So if your bank account information is incorrect, your withdrawal request will fail and your funds will be returned to your credit funds balance. So you want to make sure that your bank account information is actually correct. And you want to take note of the minimum withdrawal amount, because the withdrawals must be at least $10. So if you are doing a request of less than that, then the request will fail. Of course, guys, you have to also note that you can only do one withdrawal per 24 hours. You can only make one successful withdrawal per 24 hours. Okay? And you want to also note that the payment methods, you can only withdraw using an approved payment method that you have previously used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. So you cannot withdraw to another payment method that you didn't use to deposit amount on your Prizepicks account. And if you need any more assistance, guys, you can always, of course, contact Prizepicks support for help with your withdrawals. They offer 24/7 support via the live in-app support feature and on their website. So I hope this video helps you out, guys. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, to get notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.